What is up, Tax Nation? Welcome back to another new episode for this tax department. This is the place where we make tax fun and easy to understand. I'm Elvira Zonales, isang certified public accountant. Over 12 years of experience in finance and accounting. And we're diving into the basics of taxation law here in the Philippines. And yes, we'll make this simple, relatable, and gawin din natin masaya. Right? Tax can be overwhelming. Grabe, nung first time kong aralin yung taxation, sobrang dami ng batas and rules. Parang gulong-gulo yung isip ko before. Pero just like you, natutunan ko siya by breaking it down into simple steps. So in this video, tutulungan kita to understand what taxation law is. Okay, so start na tayo with the basics. Ano ba ang taxation law? So in simple terms, it's the set of rules na nagbibigay ng power sa government para mangolekta ng taxes from individuals and businesses. Ito yung paraan para makapag-fund tayo ng public services like building roads, schools, and hospitals. Pero here's the secret. Kapag naintindihan mo ang tax system, pwede kang makaiwas sa mga penalties at makasave. So let's discuss the sources of tax laws. First, saan nga ba nanggaling ang mga tax laws natin dito sa Pilipinas? May iba't ibang sources yung taxation laws natin, and pag alam mo ang mga ito, mas madali mong manavigate ang tax system. So number one dito is the Constitution. Ito ang foundation ng lahat ng batas, kasama na ang tax laws natin. So nung una, yung na-encounter ang tax provision ng Constitution, parang first exam ko sa school. Nakakatakot, pero promise, it's not as scary as it seems. Basically, the Constitution ensures that taxes should be uniform and equitable. Lahat pantay-pantay. Statutes, ito yung number 2, and presidential decrees. Ito naman yung laws passed by Congress or issued by the President of the Philippines tulad ng NIRC or National Internal Revenue Code at Train Law. Think of them as the official rule book ng taxes. Kung mo ang tamang statutes or statutes, may iwasan mo ang penalties. The more you know, mas maayos and mas prepare ka. Next one is the judicial decisions. Court rulings that interpret tax laws. Tinatawag itong jurisprudence. Ito yung example niya. CIR versus YMCA. The Supreme Court decided na hindi porket non-profit ang isang organization, exempt na agad ito sa taxes. Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin maintindihan kung paano ina-apply ng courts ang tax laws sa real-life situations natin. Next, ano nga ba yung mga key principles na to? And ito yung mga dahilan kung bakit may taxation system tayo. Una dyan, the fiscal adequacy. Ibig sabihin nito, ang government mag-collect ng enough taxes. Dapat yung government natin, they should collect enough taxes para mapondohan ang public services. Pero hindi sobra-sobra. Dapat tama lang. Next one is theoretical justice. Taxes should be fair. Kung sino ang mas malaki ang kita, mas malaki din ang contribution. Para itong group project, kung sino ang nag-effort na malaki, siya dapat ang mas maraming credit. Or in this case, tax. May isang client ako dati, sobrang nagreklamo sa laki ng taxes niya. Pero nung na-apply namin ang tamang principles at deductions, sabi ng tax liability niya nang hindi lumalabag sa batas. Next one naman, administrative feasibility. Dapat madali ang tax system for both taxpayers and the government. Kaya nga nandito ako para gawing mas madali at clear sa inyo ang taxation. So why understanding taxation law matters? Bakit ito importante? Ay nga ba mahalagang patutunan yung taxation law natin? Well, whether student ka na nag-aaral para sa exam mo or small business owner ka na gustong magpalago ng negosyo or regular taxpayer, matapos ang tax season, understanding taxation law will save you time, stress, and most importantly, pera. Ayan, pera. And the next videos, I'm going to show you how understanding these laws can help you avoid penalties, reduce your tax bills, and even qualify for refunds. A short storytelling muna and some sort of personal connection with this topic right now. Alam ko ang pakiramdam ng mag-panic tuwing tax season. Nag-worry ka kung tama ba lahat ng filings mo, baka ma-penalize ka or may makalimutan kang batas doon sa guideline. But over time, natutunan ko kung paano i-navigate yung tax system natin. And now, I'm here to help you. If I figure it out, I know kaya mo rin. Together, gagawin natin na mas madali at mas makatulong ang taxes para sa iyo. Alright? And that's it for today's episode of Tax Department. Kung nakatulong itong intro sa taxation law, don't miss the next video natin where we will talk about the elements and classification of taxes. Dito na magsisimula ang real tax saving strategies mo. Kung may tanong ka about taxes, BIR, whatever it is, i-comment lang sa baba at sisiguraduhin kong masasagot natin sa mga future videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Kasi understanding taxes is the key to saving time, stress, and pera. Kita-kits tayo sa next na video.